I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be making cinnamon sugar toast. For this very easy recipe, we need bread, butter, sugar, and cinnamon. This is so simple and so delicious. If you love cinnamon sugar combination, you're going to love this easy toast. So all we need to do is toast the bread in the toaster. So I'm just going to do 2 slices. You can have 1, told out to you how many. So let's toast it, and meanwhile I'm going to mix cinnamon and sugar. So I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of sugar and ½ teaspoon of cinnamon. And mix it together. And when the toast is ready, we're going to sprinkle it with this delicious mixture. So now the bread is done toasting, so let's take it out of the toaster. So nicely brown and crispy and warm. And now I'm going to spread it with butter. Looks so delicious. And as a final touch, you're going to sprinkle the cinnamon sugar to make this cinnamon sugar toast. So just evenly sprinkle the cinnamon sugar. Perfect. It looks amazing. I'm so excited about trying it. Let's try it. So good. It tastes as good as it looks. You just really can't go wrong with it. Such a super delicious, quick and easy treat. You will love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!